Welcome back to the channel. And today we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most luxurious and refined vehicles in the world of premium people movers. The 2026 Lexus LM. This is not just a minivan or an MPV in the traditional sense. The Lexus LM is designed to feel like a private jet on wheels. Built for those who value comfort, silence, and elegance above all else. Whether you're being chauffeured or driving yourself, the LM promises an experience that is calm, smooth, and undeniably premium. From the outside, the 2026 Lexus LM makes a powerful and sophisticated impression. The bold Lexus spindle grille dominates the front, giving the vehicle a commanding presence on the road. Slim LED headlights and sharp daytime running lights add a modern and confident expression, while the long body and flowing lines create a sense of grace rather than bulk. Chrome accents are used tastefully, enhancing the premium feel without appearing excessive. The LM looks refined, prestigious, and clearly positioned at the top of the luxury MPV segment. Step inside the cabin, and the atmosphere changes instantly. The interior of the 2026 Lexus LM feels more like an exclusive lounge than a vehicle. Lexus has focused heavily on craftsmanship, using high-quality leather, soft-touch materials, and elegant trim throughout the cabin. Every surface feels carefully considered, from the stitching on the seats to the smooth finish of the door panels. Ambient lighting gently illuminates the interior, creating a relaxing environment whether it's day or night. The real highlight of the Lexus LM is the rear passenger experience. This vehicle is designed with comfort in mind, especially for those sitting in the second row. The rear seats are wide, deeply cushioned, and fully adjustable, allowing passengers to recline and stretch out in complete comfort. Features such as heating, ventilation, and massage functions transform long journeys into a relaxing experience. In higher trims, a partition separates the rear cabin from the driver, offering privacy and making the LM feel like a true executive vehicle. Technology plays a major role in enhancing the experience inside the 2026 Lexus LM. A large central touchscreen controls navigation, media, climate settings, and vehicle functions with smooth and responsive performance. Rear passengers often get their own dedicated screens, allowing them to watch movies, work, or control comfort settings independently. The premium sound system fills the cabin with rich, clear audio, making music and entertainment sound exceptional even at low volumes. Lexus has also focused heavily on sound insulation, ensuring that road noise and outside distractions are kept to an absolute minimum. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus LM is expected to feature a refined hybrid powertrain, staying true to Lexus' focus on efficiency and smooth performance. The hybrid system delivers power in a calm and effortless manner, with instant torque from the electric motor and seamless transitions between electric and petrol power. Acceleration is smooth rather than aggressive, perfectly matching the LM's luxury-focused character. Fuel efficiency is impressive for a vehicle of this size and class, making it suitable for daily use as well as long-distance travel. Driving the Lexus LM is all about comfort and control. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and uneven surfaces with ease, creating a floating, almost weightless ride quality. Whether you're cruising on the motorway or navigating busy city streets, the LM remains composed and stable. Steering is light and predictable, making the vehicle easy to handle despite its size. Even at higher speeds, the cabin remains quiet and serene, allowing passengers to relax or focus on work without disturbance. Safety is a key priority for Lexus, and the 2026 LM is packed with advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work smoothly in the background, adding an extra layer of confidence for both the driver and passengers. Lexus' reputation for reliability and build quality further reinforces the LM as a